Before we get into editing and removing blog posts, we should take a moment to think about the user's perspective here. They're going to be coming into our home page, and up until this point we haven't been displaying any of our created blog posts on it. If you recall, we did design our template to handle blog posts, but we still need to look them up. So let's revisit our home page route quickly and get some blog posts showing up. Okay, here we are in our index.js file for our routes, and we've made a change to our root route. And now, instead of just passing nothing into our response.render call, we want instead to run this query and return the results. So what you'll notice here is again the use of our query builder interface. So we're calling model.find here, blogpost.find, and we didn't pass a callback, so that returns a query builder object that we can call other methods on. So we want to sort the created field, and we want to limit the home page to the 10 most recent, and then we execute the query and check if an error occurs. Otherwise we pass the posts into the home.jade template. And here again is our home.jade template, and we didn't need to make any changes to it since we already have a check on line 7 to see if any posts exist. Otherwise they're all iterated and links are shown. Let's take a look at how that displays to our users now. Okay, we have our web server running again on localhost 3000, and as you can see we've got two blog posts, both with silly names. The first one JKL, the second is title of my blog post. And those are links to the view page, and if we click on one we should see that page, and we do. We've also gone ahead and edited our edit and delete links. Let's take a look at how we implement that. Here we are back with our user model, and the addition that we made to it was a special property named full name. And this property was defined as a virtual here on line 14. And what this means is that a virtual field will not ever get saved to the database. It's just a property that can be based on anything you want, not only just properties of the document itself, which we're doing here. This is the document itself, and then this .name is the document name, this .name.first, and then we concat that with an empty space, and then this .name.last. So that's how we have defined our full name. Now you're not limited to the document data itself. You could grab the current date or whatever else you want and return it in line there. So that's it for our user model. Now what we need to do is be able to edit and remove blog posts. So let's take a look at that in the next example.